Meaning of hansom.
Handsome.
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 Handsome. Handsome is a word that has multiple meanings and can be used as an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, handsome refers to something that is elegant, stylish, or handsome. As a noun, it typically refers to a type of two-wheeled horse-drawn carriage with a suspended body and the driver's seat elevated at the front. The hansom cab was a common form of transportation in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Overall, handsome connotes sophistication, attractiveness, and perhaps a sense of nostalgia, depending on the context in which it is used.